Today is Monday, December 2nd. This is the 1976 Cadillac Eldorado convertible, left-hand driver's side gearbox actuator for the convertible top. This is the original vintage 104-7265. Okay, and the 104-7265 is the left-hand variant, and this is for my friend Doc at Doc's Speed Shop in Houston, Texas, and the unit has been completely disassembled. This is one of my stock core units, and I was unable to utilize the existing one because the box thread was stripped. And in this replacement unit, we see we have good thread integrity, and I'll be doing a functional validation test under power in the subsequent video. Okay, so this core unit has been completely disassembled. I'm replacing the bearing. Chemically vapor deposited the diameter of the primary drive gear. That's a chemical vapor deposition that builds up the diameter back to the original specs within 1 to 2 thousandths of an inch, plus or minus 1 thousandth of an inch. Over the gauge balls, 3.486, and this is 3.487 with a digital caliper as opposed to the micrometer setting, which is more accurate. But for purposes of demonstration, this shows the dimensional buildup of the primary drive gear that provides the increase in torque in the overall kinematic motion of these gearbox actuators, which are responsible for driving the largest convertible top ever made. Okay, so quite often these units go bad. The interaction between the interlocking gear teeth lose their integrity, and of course the thread on for the flex cable loses its integrity, and we have to rebuild these units. So this is George in Florida. I have over 375,000 original vintage parts from 1959 through 1976, all the way through 78 for the Cadillac Eldorado. I'm best known for my restoration of the Cadillac steering wheels, the tilt and telescopic steering columns, the power seat mechanisms, the instrument clusters, and other critical, hard-to-source original vintage Cadillac items. Today's Monday, December 2nd. Thank you very kindly.